Do you want to share comments on your Instagram story? You can add a comment to the Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to share comments on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To share comments on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, navigate to the post that contains the comment you want to share. You can share comments from your own posts or from other reels and posts. Once you find the post, tap on the comment icon at the bottom of the picture or reel video. Now, you will see all the comments on that specific post. Scroll down and find the comment that you want to add to your Instagram story. Once you see the comment you want to share, long press on the comment until a pop-up menu appears. Now, a pop-up menu will appear with various options. From the pop-up menu, find and tap on Add to Story. A new screen will open, allowing you to customize your story. You will see the comment appear as a sticker or text on the story creation screen. You can move, resize, or customize it by adding other stickers, text, or effects. You can also change the background color of the comment box by tapping on the comment. Once you are satisfied, tap your story at the bottom to share it with your followers. Now, the comment will appear in your Instagram story, and all of your friends and followers will see it.